welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Tomb Raider I-III Remastered game crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, showing black screen or several other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. Well, the very first method is to restart our PC. For that, click on the Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now log into the game and check if you can play it. If not, next method is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the search option, search for device manager. After that, here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for driver. So this will check and update your graphics card. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to modify launch options. So for that, go to Epic Games. In the library section you have to select your game, click on three dot icon, click on manage. After that, here you can see launch option. You have to enable it and after that you have to type -DX11 and after that launch the game and check if you can play it. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -DX12 and then try to launch the game and check whether it's working. If this also doesn't work, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to run the game as administrator. So for that you have to go to the file explorer and after that go to the game folder. Now here is the game application, select it, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and after that launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and after that launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Epic Games, under library section, select your game. After that, click on manage and here you can see verify files option, beside it verify option. Simply have to click on it. Once you click it, the game files will be verified and after that try to launch the game and check. Next is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the search option, search for Windows security. After that, here you have to click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall. After that, click on change settings and now here you have to check if the game is listed or not. So let me search for the game over here. Cannot find the game, no need to worry, click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after you add this, so after you add the game, select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and after that click on OK. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the search option, search for task manager. Now under background processes tab, here you have to check for those apps which are running in the background without any use. So here check those apps which are running in the background. You simply have to select it and after selecting it, right click on it, click on end task. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled such as NVIDIA Shadow Player, MS Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next method is to update Windows. For that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows Update, click on check for updates and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and after that try to launch the game and check. Next is to disable antivirus program. So if you are having any antivirus program installed on system, then it can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issue. Some of the antivirus program blocks the game and you cannot play. So it's suggested to check the settings of that particular program or disable it to play the game hassle free. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already given the link in the description. Simply copy and paste it in your browser. Once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it and you will get repair or install option. So click on yes and now wait for some time. Once you get set up successful message, now close this. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again log into the game and check if you can play it. Next is to increase virtual memory. For that, go to the settings, go to search option, search for view advanced system settings, click on settings, click on advanced, click on change. Select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size you have to type 12288 and then maximum size you have to type 24576. After that, click on set and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check if you can play the game now. Next is to allow the game or run the game as dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for graphics settings. After that, here you have to add your game to the list. So you have to go to click on add desktop app. After that, you have to go to the game folder where your game has been installed. So from here you have to select the application. So once you add your game application to the list, so here you have to click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference you have to select high performance, and after doing this, now launch the game and check. Next is to install DirectX on your system. For that, just copy and paste it in your browser. I have already provided the link in the description. Now once the website opens, go below, click on the download option. So this will download DirectX on your system. After that you have to install it. Once you install it, again log into the game and check. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall Tomb Raider I-III Remastered game. For that, go to Epic Games. Under library section, select your game, click on 3 dot icon, and here you can see uninstall option. Click on it and then finally click on uninstall. So this will remove the game completely from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch Epic Games and finally reinstall Tomb Raider I-III Remastered game, and then click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. So using these methods, you can easily fix Tomb Raider I-III Remastered game crashing and startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, showing black screen or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.